What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 finally back with another video, and today, as promised, I got an unboxing and first impressions of a new set of over-the-ear active noise canceling headphones. Now, I don't care for active noise cancellation, but I've heard these headphones are really good. They put out decent sound, and that noise cancellation is good too. Okay, I've been getting a lot of requests of this from last year. Okay, for me to take a look at it because it has a pretty high amount of really good reviews on Amazon. You know, it's like 4.5 stars out of 5, like a bunch of them. You know, so people wanted me to take a look at it. My subscribers wanted me to take a look at it, and here it is. This is the Boltune active noise canceling wireless stereo headphones. Now I'm gonna read off a few specs. And I lied. I'm not going to read off a few specs. I'm going to go ahead and open this. The specs will probably be in the box. So I'm going to do, let me see. It's just tape right here. So that's the presentation. Just a decent box, okay? I think there's a hard case. It feels like there's a hard case in here. I'm hoping there is. Now, I can't open that with my fingernails, even though I do have fingernails. The tape is extremely tough. Well, it's not that tough. I could probably do it if I wanted to, but I'm just lazy. So I'm cutting the tape. Alright, I got this open. It's just one piece of tape you have to cut there. And here's the headset itself. Oh no, it's just, it comes in a case. Ba, 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 bum, bum, bum. Wow, look at that case. Square. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. And I think something fell out, but I don't know where it is. I don't know if it fell on the floor, and I got a bunch of papers on the floor. All the old instructions that I just tossed around. So then, let me go ahead and get this open. Okay, it's the Boltune. Look at that. Hard case, big plus in my book. Okay, presentation wise. The box is kind of plain looking, but this, I like this. Okay, it's square though. Doesn't, you know, I don't know. Maybe we'll take a look at it. We'll see. Alright. Here we go. I guess I'm gonna go. How does it? Okay. I'm gonna open it this way. Bum, 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 bum. Holy smokes! Look at that! Look at that! Okay, you folks know if you folks been following my channel, I went ahead and got this color. Oh, it's stuck there. Okay, it's not stuck. I got this color scheme to remind me of my Bluetooth F2s. Rest in peace, Bluetooth F2s. Mine have passed away, sadly. But look at that. It's sporting the same colors as the Bluetooth F2s. I think it's the same colors as Skull Candy Crushers have the same. My Edifier W830BT had the same color scheme as well, which I like. I like the white headphones. I mean, I don't know. I just like white headphones. Now, kind of stiff. How do we turn these things? Okay, that's the right ear cup. This is weird. This is awkward. Oh, okay. It turns here. These are a little stiff right here. These things to turn, they're a little stiff when you get them. So be careful. That might be a tension point when it might break later on down the line. But as of right now, it just feels a little stiff. Okay, not like other headsets where they turn pretty easily. But look at the build quality of this headset right here. Okay, pretty clean. And there's the logo right there. You got physical buttons on the bottom of the right ear cup right here. Physical buttons. So you got your power button, you got your volume up and down button, and I'm guessing the volume up and down button doubles as, you know, long press volume up to skip forward, long press volume down to skip back, to go backwards. And yeah, I mean, it's got a headphone jack. Got a headphone jack right there, and it also has a. I didn't take a look at what was inside the box first. Jeez. Let me take a look at the wires. Okay, look what kind of wires these come with. I think it's USB, micro USB. Yeah, it's micro USB. The old style. It's not USB Type C. I got a bunch of USB micro USB chargers. Here's the headphone jack, so I'm pretty sure you could probably listen to this if there's no juice on the headset. I'll double check. I'll put it down here when I put this video up. And you got an adapter when you're on the airplane. Cool. Cool beans. See what else they got here. Okay, I'm going to read off some specs real quick. Here we go. Hopefully they're specs. I lied. There is no specs here. What the? You know what? I'm gonna go to my Amazon where I bought it. I'm gonna go to Amazon. It's like, huh? What are the specs of this thing? Go to my order page. Okay, folks. I got the order page up. It comes with a stable. It says stable Bluetooth 5.0, which is they're kind of right. 5.0 is pretty smooth so far. It's got a built-in CVC 6.0 microphone, crisp, clear calls without ambient noise. That's good. Okay. It's got a wireless headphone range up to 66 feet, 4 times longer than other Bluetooth headphones. So 66 feet, I'm gonna test that. When I do my review, I'm gonna do the distance thing. I haven't done the distance thing in a long time because usually standard distance for wireless headphones about 30 feet usually. But since Bluetooth 5.0 and all that came out, I think it's got a. It says it got longer, so I'm gonna test it through walls and everything. 30 hours of playtime. It's not bad. Okay, 30 hours play. Impressive sound quality. Okay, upgraded hybrid noise canceling technology. That's what I'm curious about. Okay, and it has a 5-minute quick charge. So you hook this up to a quick charger, your charger for 5 minutes, and it gives you 2 hours of music time. That's pretty good. And it's got dual. That's strange. 45 millimeter drivers. That's kind of strange. Usually it's 40 or 50 millimeters, but this one's in the middle. 45 millimeter drivers. Protein ear pads, easy controls, 90-degree axis rotation on the headbands. Yeah, that still feels kind of stiff, but this build quality right here feels premium. Okay, it looks premium as well. Now, the ear pads. Let me go ahead and try them out. They look comfortable. Just put that. Gotta adjust them for my head a little bit. Oh, wow. I have to. There we go. That's nice. It fits nice. It forms a really good seal around the ears, and these are the shape of the ear pads. It's circular, but the holes of the ear pads they're egg shaped, which is good. Okay, because I like the egg shaped ear cups because your ear kind of just fits in there compared to the circular ear cups, which they just kind of sit on your ear. But I don't know, that's just me. That's a personal preference of mine. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get this paired to my LG V30. Since my Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is recording this video, I'm gonna get this paired to my LG V30 and let you folks know how the sound is. So I'm gonna do a little jump cut right here. Alright folks, I went ahead and got this paired with my LG V30. Now I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna use my Google playlist. Okay. I had Spotify, but Spotify is okay, so I went ahead and I had the Spotify Premium. But it was alright. But I canceled it. Let me see. Let's go to my NCS playlist. Let's listen to some Max Braun, The Future. Let's go! Oh. The volume's in the right ear cup. Did I skip the song? I did. I did skip the song. Oops. Did I press the pause? Yeah, I did press the pause. Jeez. Uh-oh. I already know where this is going. Oh, snap. This is the future. Not bad. It's got some nice vocals. The bass is there. A little rumbly, kind of mixed in with clean bass. Let's try another song. Wow. Okay. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Now keep in mind, this headset is usually around 80 or 70 or $80, but right now I think it's on sale for 60. I gotta go ahead and double check. I'll leave a link down below so you folks can check it out. And I bought this, okay, folks. I bought this headset, so if you do decide to pick it up, use the link down below, please. It helps me out a lot, okay? Let's go to some Tobu. Let's turn it up. Oh, man. This song's a trip, yo. Whoa. I did not expect that. This headset is good, okay? It's rivaling the sound of my Treblabs and my Ideal Play V402s. Very good sound. Now let's test it with the active noise cancellation. Let me go ahead and turn it on. See, there's an on button here. We're going to flick that on right there. So when you turn that on, active noise cancellation is on and it's ready to go. Let's see if the active noise cancellation affects the sound by any means. Oh, got quiet real quick. Okay, active noise cancellation on. You can already tell the difference. My voice sounds muffled. Of course, I can still hear it because there's no music going on. Let me see. Listen to. Let's go back to Max Tobu. Let's stick with Tobu. This is turn it up and let's. No discernible hit in sound quality. It actually sounds cleaner. Let me see if I can hear my voice. I can barely hear it. It does very good active noise cancellation. Let me see if I can hear this sound. I can't hear that. Let's try this box. It's rougher. I can hear that, but very little. Whoa. Whoa. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. This headset is awesome. Now, I'm still going to test it. I'm going to put out a review in a week and a half or so. About a week and a half. It's hard for me to listen to the headsets as much as I used to since I've been working a lot, okay? But, man, the sound quality does not take a hit when you turn on active noise cancellation because compare this to my Culture V1s. Okay, Culture V1s, I like that headset. I bought it last year. It's a fantastic headset. It came out late 2018, but I picked it up early 2019. The thing is, that headset, when you turn on active noise cancellation, volume gets softer. And the sound is still clear but and good, but it just gets a mite softer. Active noise cancellation on, volume doesn't change, but it does sound a little cleaner. Dare I say, it cleans up the sound a little bit. So I'm going to test this some more, but my recommendation is listen to this with active noise cancellation on all the time if you want a good quality sound. And this looks more like let me see. Let me do something. Let me do the bob test. You could probably use this for working out. I mean, because it fits on your head pretty good. It gives you a nice squeeze, but it's not a painful squeeze, okay? There's some headsets out there that squeeze your head pretty tight. This one doesn't. It squeezes your head just right. You could probably do push-ups with it, running, or just for casual listening, or of course on the airplane. Now, I'm going to go ahead and test the sound leak as well. I usually have my daughter and my wife sit right next to me when I play this thing on full blast to see if there's any sound coming out. If they can hear it, sitting right next to me. If you like to listen to loud music on the airplane and whatnot, and if it does leak, I'll let you folks know in the review video coming up week and a half from now. But yeah, it's Guddang 775. This is my first impressions of the Boltune active noise cancellation wireless over-the-ear headphones. Now, these headphones are fantastic. Now, just by first impressions alone, $60 for this headset is a steal. A steal. Now, what do you call that? If you can get this headset for about $70, $80, it's probably worth that. Just my first impressions alone. I'll go into more detail when I do the review in a week and a half from now. But yeah, it's Guddang 775, Boltune, wireless over-ear headphones, active noise cancellation. Folks, like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos once a week or at least or so. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticisms. Guddang 775, aka Sully, just a my boy in Texas. Thanks for watching. Peace out.